So I'm in the mall right now walking around looking like a goddamn, I don't know what I look like. So we gotta talk to the guy in the mall about printing t-shirts. This guy is called Image Professionals. The guy Image Professionals printed some t-shirts for me. They were pretty expensive. So I came to him, he charged me like $25 to print a t-shirt. And I brought the t-shirt. Here's a short one for you guys. Getting over filming yourself in public. I was watching Roy's, I forgot, Roy's Motorsports or Roy's Garage. Sorry Roy if I forgot the name of your channel, but I will put it in the links in the description below.
Welcome to the channel. All of you that are subscribers and watch my channel, you know that I have a 360 camera mounted on the handlebars of my bike, and that's what I use to video my ride. And what I use right here, right now, is an old Android phone that I use. That's all I have for cameras. Y'all know that I don't do very well with recording stuff when I'm off the bike. Like when I go to the dealerships, I don't record inside dealerships. I don't record out, you know, community or whatever, you know. I need to break that habit. It's a scary thing to be recording in public, and having people around, I don't do it as much.
So I was watching Roy, and Roy was saying he's buying the DJI 3, I think it was, because he's trying to vlog in public more. He is, I guess, afraid of vlogging in public with a regular camera. He doesn't want people to look at him odd. But it's 2024 and everybody is a content creator now. And everybody is vlogging in public. So this fear of vlogging in public, I guess it's not that difficult as people really think it is. Once you get out and start doing it, it actually comes a lot easy. Like, I guess starting out with a smaller camera, starting out with your phone, practicing in public until you get up to the point where you can actually use that bigger mirrorless camera where it doesn't feel so odd to you. But yeah, it always feels odd vlogging in public with a camera because you always think somebody's watching you. But once you can overcome that, it just comes so easy. It just like it's really easy. I personally don't do it a lot, but I have done it before. I've done it many times. I've gotten over that fear of vlogging in public, and I gotten over that fear of vlogging, in public by just starting off with smaller cameras first until I work my way up to the bigger camera. It's all in your head really, because I don't think people care anymore. It's so commonplace now. I don't think people even care. Oh, he's a vlogger, he's a YouTuber, or he's a content creator or whatever. I don't think people even care anymore. Like everybody and their mama knows a content creator, so they've seen it all. They've seen all the big cameras, the small cameras. They've seen it all. So just get out and do it. Just practice. And if you want to put the camera up to your face with it not running, maybe that'll help you. Having a camera up to your face while it's off, maybe that works for your psyche. Because actually it's all a head game. It's all in your head space. So if you think, okay, well, vlogging with the camera off, people don't know the camera's not on. I mean, you know the camera's not on, but they don't know the camera's not on. But in your mind, it helps you get over that fear of vlogging in public. So eventually you can turn the camera on and start vlogging. I think the words won't come to you so easy while you're vlogging, because in the back of your mind you're always thinking, who's watching me? What are they saying? What is he saying about me? Who's watching me? So your head space is like so scrambled, you can't get the words out properly into the camera to get your words across, to get your thoughts across through camera, so your viewers know what you're saying or follow along with what you're saying, because your head space is so messed up because you're thinking about what people are thinking about what you're doing. But if you can get over that, it's a lot. It'll come a lot easier. So one tip I want to give you for vlogging in public is vlogging with your cell phone. Your cell phone is smaller and it's inconspicuous, so a lot of people probably won't think you're vlogging, and they'll probably think you're on a voice call or something. So I'm at the mall. We're gonna go inside. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I've been going all day. So we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about.
Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. I said, you said 90%.
Alright, so we're leaving the store right now. The guy has the shirts really expensive. We're talking about at least $15. But he said if we buy them in bulk, we might get them cheaper. And if I put prints on it, that's another, what, 20 bucks? So that's like 30 bucks. I can get a discount, it'll come down to like 30 bucks. So, man, I don't know if I can do that. I gotta go do some stuff for my truck. My tire on my truck is shot. Tip number 2, vlogging with your GoPro. It's lighter, also inconspicuous. You can walk around, people probably wouldn't even give it a second thought. But vlogging with a GoPro is a lot easier, a lot less stressful, and you can probably get away without people even checking for you and noticing what you're doing. Oh my God, I might ask you. See ya. I'm here at the car place. I gotta get my tire changed, at least one of them. I don't have any money, so I'm not buying a new tire. I'm buying a used tire. I'm gonna show you what a used tire looks like, and I'm gonna also give you tip number 3. Trying not to get so caught up with social anxiety vlogging in public. When people see you vlogging in public, you get like, oh my God, he's watching me, they're watching me. Trying to overcome that, I know it's hard, but the more you practice, the more you can try to overcome it. But you can only practice in public. Well, you can practice at home, but it's not the same. Practicing in public where people are actually looking at you helps you overcome that fear of vlogging in public. Like right now, I got a whole bunch of people looking at me like, who's this weirdo in the car with a camera? But they also find it kind of interesting because they want to know, who's this guy? Is he big on YouTube? Well, actually I'm not. So, but they don't know that. They don't know I have a small channel. They think, oh my God, he must be a big YouTuber. Who knows what they're thinking? I don't care. You shouldn't care. You should try to overcome that fear. Let's go see if we can get this tire for the truck. So the tire I need is a 285/70/16 tire. Because the reason why I changed to those tires is because I wanted to go over landing on those tires. So I changed out the tires. Now, after I changed out the tires, the suspension got even worse because I needed to change all that. I needed to change the tie rods, the bush tie rod ends, the shocks, the control arm, the lower and upper control arm. Everything went bad and it just destroyed the tires. I didn't have the money to change every single thing that needed changing, but I did change the tie rod and rod ends. I eventually ended up changing, I ordered a shock, so I changed those shocks, but I need to change the upper and lower control arms. Because the truck is being raised, you gotta change the upper control arm. I haven't got around to doing that yet, and that's why it's still destroying the tires, because the alignment is off. I can't fix the alignment until I finish adding all the parts to the truck. So I gotta do that, and until I do that, I'm gonna keep eating up tires. Tip number 3 is getting over social anxiety. I got over that. You can get over it too by watching them watch you in the camera. It's kind of funny, and you laugh at it, and it helps you overcome that anxiety. So a quick update, guys. I went from 2 tires, now they're changing all 4 tires of the car. But I'm gonna still keep my 285s though. 285/76/17s, I'm gonna still keep those. So right now they're putting on 265/65/17s on the car to get me even all around, so I'll save on some fuel. But I'm still keeping my bigger tires for later when I get the truck sorted out in the front. And then we put all 4 brand new tires back on. Take a look at that shit, up on 4 jacks. That's crazy. Holy shit. Alright, so if you made it this far into the video, guys, as always, I appreciate you. Smash that like button if you care to subscribe, and comments do help the channel. Remember to keep your eyes on the swivel, keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up, and I will see you in the next one. Pieces. Man, that looks dangerous as hell, doesn't it? Car in the air like this, with no freaking way to stop it from rolling back other than 4 jacks. That's crazy.